characters. Escape characters are special characters. We use them inside string constants. So if you have a string constant between double quotation, you can use those characters inside. They are called escape characters. So what is escape character? Escape characters are characters preceded by backslash. Preceded معناته يسبق backslash اللي هو مثل علامة القسمة المعكوسة. Okay. So you write backslash and you put a character, then it is called escape character. Here is an example. See, you have a message you want to print, and now see here, this is the backslash and this is the character. Now all together backslash n is called escape character. So they are characters preceded by backslash. They are used inside string constants. So this is a string constant. We use them inside. نستعمل escape characters داخل string constants. لما يكون عندنا string constant نقدر نستعمل هذول الكاركترز inside. They do a certain thing. They are not displayed on the screen. ما ينطبعون على الشاشة. But they take an effect or they leave an effect. يتركون أثر. So this backslash n, now it is explained here. If you put backslash n inside the string, it will not be printed, but it will be used to take you to the next line. Remember, we use a print line, so it will display the string and then we'll go to the next line. Now, if you want to leave a line inside one print, then you can use backslash n. There are other backslash characters called escape characters. We have backslash n for a new line, backslash t for tab, backslash r for return. This will take you to the beginning of the current line. It will not go to the next line, but it will take you to the beginning. And backslash will print backslash, and double quotation will print backslash double quotation will print quotation, and this will print single quote. And I would like to show you how to use these space characters. I will call it escape characters. We will define them here. We will define this. And we have public, static, void, main, string, args. Okay. Open a bracket, close a bracket. And now I want to print a message, system.out.print, just a print, okay? So I will write hello, I will put backslash n, everyone, backslash n, today, backslash n, okay? So what will be printed? Hello will be printed on one line. We are telling print to go to the next line. Everyone will be printed on a separate line because we have backslash n, and today will be printed on also separate line. So I need to define. First, I need to add this one to today's lecture and run it. And now see the output. Okay, I'll go up. See the output. We have hello, we have everyone, and we have today. So these are called escape characters. We use them to leave an effect on the output screen. In our next example, we want to show you that on Windows, backslash r leaves the same effect as backslash n. So if I print hi, backslash r, UOB, and then close the brackets and run the program, you will see that backslash r also will take you to a new line. See, hi, UOB. So on Windows, backslash and backslash r leave the same, both leave the same new line. However, on some systems, backslash r takes you to the beginning of the line and overwrites whatever you have written at the beginning. Next is how to print numbers in a tabular form. Imagine you want to print two lines. On the first line, we have the variable x1 equal to 21, and we have x2 which is equal to 6, and we have x3 which is equal to 41. On the next line, we want to print y1 equal to 1, y2 is equal to 3, and y3 is equal to 36. So we want to print two lines. Each line consists of 3 columns. The question is how to control the spaces between the numbers on a single line. So let us try to do it manually. System.out.print len. We will print x1 and we will put a space manually, and we will put x2 and we will have a space, and we will put x3 at the end. We will copy this line and we will just replace x1 by y1, x2 by y2, and x3 by y3. Now x1 consists of 2 digits, x2 consists of 1 digit, x3 3 digits. So when you leave a space between them, the first line and the second line, the columns will not be aligned. Okay, they will not be printed on the same column. So see the result. So see the result. The 21C3 is not aligned to 6. 6 is written, on subsequent columns, but 3 is printed before. Now, what is tab? Tab is a fixed space between 2 columns. In Java, it is very small, but in other systems, it is big. In Java, in fact, it is 4 spaces. So when you put tab, it depends on from where you are, it will take you directly to that tab. So tab, it's look like a fixed place that you can move, and these places, the difference or the distance between them is exactly 4 spaces. So instead of using a space, I will just simply copy these 2 lines and paste them, Control V, and I will remove this space and put \t, and here \t. It means leave a tabular space, مسافة جدولية. Okay, so a tabular space. So now when you run the program, maybe I should leave also a new line here between these 2 outputs, so I could go at the end of the here and put a new line. So now run the program and let us see how the output will be aligned. See, now if you compare the previous table and if you compare the second table, see, 2 is aligned with 1, 6 is aligned with the 3, 41 is aligned with 36. So \t is used for writing tabular numbers on the screen. Other ones, suppose you want to print the message hi, or the message we will say today's class. So I want these 2 double quotations to be printed. So if I use system.out.println and I put double quotation, remember that I need, so if I take all of this message, copy it, and then paste it inside. Now the compiler will be confused here. So here you are opening a message and you are closing the message and you are starting something, a new data. So it is expected to see plus, to combine 2 data, but you are not writing a plus. So if you want this double quotation to be printed, so you need to proceed it by \. And this one, if you want also to print it, you have to proceed it with \. So if you want to print double quotation on the output screen, don't forget to put before that double quotation \, and when you run it, so you will see the double quotation is printed on, or are printed on the screens. If you want to print, for example, the following. If I want to print that, save, print. Suppose you want to print put double quotation, put backslash save. Okay, you want to print this one, you want to print this message on the screen. Save your files in the folder C backslash data backslash homework. So this is the message that you want to print on the screen without double quotations. These just double quotations just to show you the message. So you will start by saying system.out.println, and then you put the message. You just take it exactly the same as it is and put it inside and close the message. Now let us see what is the result we are going to have on the output screen. Now when you run it, see it, the compiler is giving you an error here. It says that \d is an illegal escape character. See, if I go back, see it says illegal escape character. So when you write \d, there is no \d as escape character, so it gives you an error. Also \h is not an escape character. But here your purpose of writing / is to print it. So if you want to print / inside a message, put double /, don't put one, put double /. So if you put double /, then it will be printed by only one /. So you run it and see now, see the output here, we have / printed, okay, on the output screen. If you want to print single quote like this one, there is no need to put /, although if you go back to the table, it says if you want to print single quote, you have to write /t. So let me see what will happen if I put / single quote on the output screen and what will happen here. Again, it is a printed, see? So it is a printed, so if you put / single quote or if you don't write single quote, then both will work. But if you want to print double quotation, then you have to put / double quotation.